Hello everyone. If you are an NRI or an OCI cardholder and you are thinking about buying a property in India, this video is for you. Yes, my friends. Many NRIs reach out to me for legal suggestions whether they can purchase a property in India or not. Many NRIs have this doubt. Is it allowed? Do you need prior RBI permission? What exactly is FEMA? All these information I'm going to provide in this particular video. First and foremost thing that you need to understand is what is FEMA. FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. It is the primary law that controls how money moves in and out of India, whether it is for NRIs, international businesses, or foreign transactions also. And the authority that manages this law is Reserve Bank of India. As an NRI, whenever you buy a property, transfer money back to home, or even operate a bank account in India, FEMA rules apply to you automatically. There is no need of a registration or something. Automatically, it applies to you. Now, let us understand what FEMA actually says about buying property, right? Whether NRI can buy the property in India or not. If he can buy, what kind of property he can buy? So, all these things we'll discuss now. Yes, NRI and OCIs can absolutely purchase a property in India. You can buy a residential property like flats, independent houses, or residential villa plots also. You can also buy commercial property as well, like office spaces, shops, or entire commercial buildings. There is no limit as to how many properties you can buy. And you don't need to take any permission from RBI also. But there are three strict exceptions are there. NRI cannot buy agricultural land and plantation property like tea gardens or coffee estates and so on and so forth. And farmers also you can't able to purchase. That means anything, any immovable property that is attached to agricultural aspect, and you have to be very cautious about that. So these are the completely restricted under FEMA. Even if the price looks attractive or local agents assures you that there won't be any problem or something, you legally cannot purchase this as an NRI. Be careful. If in case you purchased it, the penalty for violation of these is very severe, I'm telling you. The RBI can impose fine of up to 3 times of total purchase of amount. So please be very careful about the land classification before signing anything. Many brokers are there. They actually project some projects. They are actually agricultural lands, but they portray that this is a plot. Okay, if someone goes behalf of you, because since you are an NRI and then you are staying in other country, you yourself may not able to come to India and then visit the plot. You may assign someone in behalf of you to go and then see the property. So there are many such situations very often I come across. So that is why I'm telling you, when they go and then check the property, it looks like a residential plot, but it actually an agricultural land. In that case, you have to be very, very careful before purchasing the property. Your property's document should be thoroughly validated by a qualified advocate. Otherwise, you may get into problem. So please be very careful. So if at all you have validated the property document and then you are going to purchase the property, then how the payment can be made? This is a very common question that I get very often. So this is where many people make mistakes without realizing it. Okay, all real estate payment must go through the proper banking channels only. Cash payments are completely restricted under FEMA. Please be careful. Even for a small initial token amount also, you cannot pay through cash. You have to make a payment through banking channel. This is very important. You can legally fund your purchase through inward remittance, your NRE account, NRO account, or via home loan from an Indian bank as well. So without these things, if you make a cash payment, you may get into trouble. You have to be very, very careful about it. And one more important thing is, when you're selling a property in India, the capital gain tax will apply for you. If you sell the property within 24 months of buying it, it is a short-term gain and is taxed at your regular Indian income tax slab rate. If you hold it for more than 24 months, it becomes a long-term capital gain. The long-term capital gain tax rate for NRI is flat 12.5% as updated in Union Budget 2024 in fact. Once you pay these capital gain tax, your CA will help you to file Form 15 CA and Form 16 CB. So you have to consider all these things, whether you are going to buy a property, whether you are going to sell a property. You have to follow a strict rule. Otherwise, you will get into trouble, and then your intention will be to invest money and then get some profit out of it. But if you do not follow the proper procedure, I'm sure you will lose your money. Not only that, it may convert it into a criminal case as well. Be careful, be vigilant, and before purchasing the property, please consult your advocate for the property verification, for the site verification. You can assign anyone as such, whomever you can trust, and you can purchase the property. I'll end it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.